Hi everyone, today's tutorial I'll show you how to add a full reel to your Instagram story. Ready to share that epic reel without cutting it short? Let's get into it. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Then tap the reel icon to head to the reel section. Find the reel you want to share. Then tap the share icon on the reel. You might try tapping it to add story, but you'll notice that it only adds up to 12 to 15 seconds clip. Then go back and tap the share icon again. Select the copy link. Then head over to your App Store or Google Play Store if you're Android. Then search for Instant Save. Download and install the app. It's all free and safe. Open the Instant Save app and it will automatically fetch the link you copied. Tap on the reel and click the save in order to download the full reel. Then go back to your Instagram and tap on your story in the left corner. Tap share to your story and upload the full reel, whether it's 30 seconds and 2 minutes or longer. And that's how you can add a full reel to your Instagram story. Pretty easy, right? If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.